Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It is Sunday, 6:30 in the morning. Sun is just coming up, and we have got the trailer hooked up to the dually, which can only mean one thing. We are on our way to get yet another project. We will get into that a little bit later, but for now, I'm going to finish waking up, get my voice back a little bit, and I'll catch up with you guys when we're on the road. Almost there, 2.5 hours later. We actually went north to find this particular vehicle. So we're in Indiana on some back roads in the middle of nowhere, go figure. But we got to run down this little back road and we are almost there. Probably won't do a ton of filming there just for this guy's sake, but you guys are gonna be pumped. Alrighty, there she is. Can you see her? Oh yeah. Here she comes. Another first gen. She is mint. We are finally home, been back here for a little bit, and it is finally time to get up close and personal with the new truck. I want to show you guys this thing. It's a beaut. It is a beaut. So really cool story. You guys know my first gen has a cool story behind it. This is an original owner 100,000 mile first gen. This is a 92, I believe. We should actually get this thing off the trailer. Let's go ahead and get this thing off the trailer. But original owner still on the title. I believe he kind of passed away or kind of left his home and kind of left this truck inside of a barn. Has not really been fully running for a couple years at least, from the story that I was told. But the body is what we're mainly going to focus on, and I will get into that. But let's get this thing off the trailer. The body on this thing has not got one dent, it is clean. guys, here she is. Let's check her out up close and personal. And before we get started, I want to mention the future plans for this truck we're probably not going to get into right at this very moment specifically. So specifically, I want to wait a little bit. You guys will find out eventually why we went with this and our future real plans are for this truck. But let's just dive into the truck itself. Let's go over it. It's not exactly the same paint scheme as our first gen. We're going to have different names for these things because first gen now longer not going to work. So our other truck is silver on the top and the bottom, dark in the middle. This one's kind of flip-flopped, which I am perfectly okay with. I would still call them, you know, big brother, little brother, whatever you want to call it, but it is a two-wheel drive automatic, the same way our other truck started out, which I'll give you guys a little hint. I wouldn't be too hung up. Oh, and there it is. There it is, that horrendous noise these trucks make. Don't be caught up about the two-wheel drive and do not be caught up about the automatic. Both of those things will be changing to the far superior four-wheel drive manual transmission. So that's all I'm going to say for the future plans. But again, one owner. Let's actually sneak you guys in here. Can you guys see that? 100,000 miles. Say it with me, every Cummins owner, she's just getting broken in, 100,000 miles. So this guy did tow a small camper there. We do have the original tailgate. Don't worry, this will be going bye-bye, a little too Dale Brisby for my liking, but we do have the original tailgate, so that we can throw on. The bumpers, I'm not really too worried about. Those will be getting changed. But really, again, guys, what we were after on this truck was a paint scheme that was kind of the same or this close to the other first gen. I wanted them to match, and the body. The body, I did not want to have to do any paint work to. This paint and this body is flawless. It is just in extremely, extremely good shape. The only thing we may have to do is do a little bit of paint work on the roof, but other than that, it is in incredible, incredible shape. As far as engine plans, you guys know me, probably not a whole lot of this is going to stay, but still a very, very clean truck. This thing was not driven in the winter. It was stored in a barn for the last who knows how many years, but it is in incredible shape. It just is extremely dirty from sitting. Interior wise, oh, hey, babe. Everyone's gonna want to know, babe. How do you do it? How do you put up with the nonsense?
Do I fight it? What's the...
I think Allie's words were, I know what you're gonna do, and I'm not okay with it, but it is what it is. So,
Man, this is clean.
yeah, look at the body.
Yeah.
Almost as good as your body, babe. Woo-hoo-hoo.
So, like, grandpa.
Straight grandpa.
Look at these seats, man.
Yeah, the seats are, these are not original seats.
They look grandpa-y.
This guy was definitely concerned about his derriere.
Yeah, man.
And he definitely went for the upgrade on that.
Look at the little pop-outs in the back. They're so cute.
Babe,
What?
you know, see who you can pick up on the LCB.
CB.
Come on, give it your best truck driver there.
Rubber ducky.
You gotta say come on.
Come on.
Come on back. But yeah, she got a...
I love it. It like smells like grandpa truck. I love it.
You love that it smells like a grandpa truck?
Yeah, like it smells like my dad's old truck, or like, you know, like it's...
Well, we're gonna upgrade your dad's old truck. Let's put it that way. One of the worst things about this truck that I was very upset about is this part of the dash is cracked.
Stop punching it.
Well, you're not gonna make it any better, and then it's cracked over there. But looky over there. She got the factory RPM gauge. That's factory. So the dash thing. What do you think about changing the interior to all black?
No.
Maybe some 4th gen seats?
Yeah, but everything else is like slate gray.
Yeah, we're gonna change the whole thing.
Oh, look at these little pop outs in the back. They're so cute.
Yeah, those will be black too. We'll just get them recovered.
No.
All right, guys. So a little bit different style build. What we're going for here, not going to be really, I mean, we're always concerned about horsepower, but we're not building a race truck. We are not taking out like, you know me, I like to get rid of everything, strip it down, make it fast. We're not going to do that with this truck. Going to be a completely different build than what I normally do, but I'm really excited for that. A little bit different look. Allie knows about it. We're not telling them yet. But again, instead of going this way, we're gonna go this way. And yeah, I'm super excited. Super excited to have found trucks like this do still exist, and we did not pay through the nose for this truck. Like, this truck was a pretty good deal for the shape of what everything is in. 100,000 miles. I mean, our other truck has 350,000.
Remember Andrew's old truck had like over 300?
Yeah, so so I'm really excited about the future for this truck. Everything is really clean. It's a very clean base to start with. It's got some weird alarm system in here that I'm not really sure exactly what's going on. So there's a couple things, but again, we won't get into that. Oh gosh. But she got a CB. She got a big old brake controller on her. But this is it. 92 D250. It's gonna be awesome. The picture in my head, I think what gets me, I mean, you guys are probably looking at this like I think you guys are probably like got a lot of thoughts going through your mind. Number one, what are the plans? Number two, what do you need another project for? And the answer is, you know, it's been on my mind for a little while. What the plans are for this truck. I'm super excited for them. Again, I don't want to really hold out on you guys, but we're going to save that for a different time. But it's been on my mind. I really wanted to do it. I said if I found one that was close to the same paint scheme and good enough body, I think we're going to go ahead and do it. So this is going to be a very, very extensive build for this thing. It's going to be sweet. Now, to get on to the whole project thing, I know you guys are going to start giving me crap about, you know, how many projects we have going on at one time, the Peterbilt, the second gen. We're going to get to it. Now, what I want to show you guys is, been MIA for a little bit. Here's the condition of the backyard still. So we're still slowly working on getting this wrapped up. It's been rainy, it has been crappy, but I was going to try and show you guys the shop when it was all done, but just to give you guys a little sneak peek, boom, boom, boom. So here we go. One wall is complete in the back. They still got to do some trim work, but the beams, so we're gonna stain these beams, but the beams are pretty much almost wrapped, which are going to look awesome once they are stained, once these brackets are painted. So we've really just been waiting on this to get done. I think they should be done in about a week. So all of the comments about the amount of projects going on and the second gen content and all that stuff, just guys, be patient. It is coming. Just waiting for this to get done. And then we're gonna move in and we're gonna be hammering out videos and progress every single night. So that's the plan. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video about the new truck. Stay tuned for a full video going over the future plans for this truck and what all I have envisioned in my head. It's going to be awesome. It is going to be sweet. It is going to be a one-of-a-kind first gen that you can probably count on one hand the people who are going to try and do anything like this with this truck. So super excited. You know me, mixing the coolest new school with the classic old school. It's gonna be awesome. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Quick short video. Here's the truck. Number 6 or 7, I have no idea, but thank you guys so much for your support. Hit the thumbs up if you guys are pumped for this truck, and yeah, can't wait for these guys to be together. Who knows, maybe we'll daily drive this thing until some parts start rolling in for it. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Before we go, check out what we just found. I was like, man, maybe there's, whoa, check out what we just found in there. Oh, heck yeah. Got some gear wrenches. All right, that's gonna do it. Nice find. I did not put those in there. Free wrenches.